Our homepage doesn't make sense. We have an animation that loads a picture of a chap in a kitchen. Okay, the brand is Yolkk. Yolkk, kitchen, kitchen Yolkk. Either way, it doesn't provide users with information relevant to our service. We do websites, not kitchens. So today's job is updating the Lottie animation. First off, let's decide upon what I'm looking to show the user. I like to use Pinterest, Google Images, and sometimes Adobe's Behance to look at icons and logos of relevant words, i.e. increase sales or graph logo. I use these to inspire and gain a clear picture of where I'd like to head. I concluded that our value proposition is business owners not having to spend weeks designing a website or pay thousands for an agency. I opted for a desktop Windows style background with some graphs popping around in the center. We're in Adobe After Effects creating a Lottie file. A Lottie file is an animation that can upscale or downscale without pixelation using JSON, not JSON. Put simple, when you reduce the file size of a video or GIF, you lose quality, not with a Lottie. I also couldn't help but use some of the previous animation. Although a web designer levitating peacefully isn't completely relevant, it potentially humanizes the brand. Maybe I just wanted it. The file came out as 159 kilobytes, which was even less than I'd hoped. Yay. Time to put it on the website and run a speed test. I might come back another day and upgrade once more, but I think it's a start to showing potential customers what we're all about.